Għadla Lebanese Advocates edha tiċċelebra t-twelid ta' Ġesu Kristu festa mżewqa ikel tradizzjonali, mużika u sfin. L-għada qalet li din il-festa tisservi għal-opportunità biex jinġabru fondi sabiex jappoġġjaw lil dawk kollha li spiċċaw bla ikel u saqaf fuq rashom minħabba l-konflitti mdemmi fil-Libanu.
We are a group called the Lebanese Advocates. We have teamed up since the war started in Lebanon. We are friends already, but we share the same grief. We share the same human values. We share the same principles of justice and freedom for all and peace. There is still around 1 million people who have lost all their houses, all their belongings. What we are doing here, we are fundraising for the Lebanese Food Bank, for the Lebanese Red Cross, so they can continue their operations and sustain their operations.
Waqt l-avveniment ma naqsux ukoll attivitajiet għat-tfal, għanijiet tal-miliet u poeżiji. Musa Hamoud qal l-TBM News illi waqt il-gwerra kienu l-Kristjani Libaniżi li fetwu l-bibin lill-Musulmani Libaniżi li patew il-ħruxijiet tal-gwerra. Fisser dan bħala l-valuri li jippritkaw jgħixu bihom il-Libaniżi.
In this group we are diverse. We are both Muslims and Christians. This is Lebanon. Suffering is shared by everyone, and solidarity is really a value that we cherish.